let's see. Good morning, friends, and welcome back to the ranch. This is April, Little French Girl, and it is my last day of spring break. I refused to get up early. I'm in my husband's robe, and I was very excited that my hair is long enough to go up into a pineapple, and I'm trying to decide what to do today. So I really need to go through my shoes because I purchased a couple new pairs of shoes this weekend on clearance, but I need to go through some of my shoes and get rid of them. I also need to plant cucumbers and some flowers, and I also need to go through my closet because, you know, it's just that time. I do not like to keep things if I'm not going to wear them and just have everything cluttered up. So I'm trying to decide what we're going to do today, and I need to do laundry. There's a lot of laundry done, but it needs to be folded and put away. So I think this is going to be kind of a mishmash of a spring reset for the last day of spring break. So let's go. Alright guys, so this is my closet. I guess technically you can call it a walk-in closet, but I don't know. There's just not a huge amount of room. So these are a variety of different types of clothes. And then this is my husband's clothes. He pretty much wears the same thing every day, jeans and a t-shirt or some sort of long sleeve shirt. And then this bottom part is my clothes. Those are his shoes. And then over here, I have to get out of the way, are also my clothes. So I have like a pole and a half, I guess, or a hanging rod and a half. And then tucked back away in there are my shoes that I need to go through. And I also need to go through and push the coats to the back because the weather is getting warmer here. And I have not pulled out all of my spring stuff because we are going back and forth between different weather. So this is where I keep my grab and go travel bags, which I have a video on that. And then we have swimsuits and shorts right now. Those are sweaters. That's leggings that's not in the right place. Sweaters again. And then these are like comfy pants, jeans and work pants, and this is my gift stash. Then over here we have a filing cabinet. This is my basket where I keep gifts that are coming up for like birthdays or Mother's Day or whatever, Father's Day. And then we have luggage back there. And when the clothes have been taken off of the hangers, they're supposed to go here so that they're easy to grab. Then I have jewelry that I rarely ever wear. And then I have my Louis Vuitton wallet or little agendas that I keep as a wallet. And then I purchased this from Shein, and I think that it's actually a shoe rack, but I have been putting my purses in here, and that it's working out great because they are all organized. I can see them all, and well, I mean, some of them are in a bag. Like, here's my Louis Vuitton black crossbody. I believe that this is my Louis Vuitton black, I don't remember the name of it, but it's the round bag. And then here is the Louis Vuitton fawn crossbody. And then I have Coach, lug, Coach. This is just a cute Amazon kind of dress bag. And then I've got a lug up here, and I think this is a Kate Spade. So I'm trying to pare down my purses. Then I also have my lug backpack, which I'm using a different backpack right now for school. but I do switch between those bags quite often. So things are decently organized in here, and y'all, just keeping it real here. Literally, I come in from wherever and I throw my shoes there and I put my flip-flops on, and then at the end of the week all of these things go back into the shoe organizer in the closet. So this is my like annoying trait, that I just kick my shoes off here when I come home. Oh yes, to address this mess. So these two bags are over the shoulder totes that were in a storage travel bag that my son used to go to his sister's over spring break. And then that is my current work backpack. And yes, this is the result. Peep the Can of Campbell reference books here. This is the result of getting ready for church and then coming home, throwing these clothes off, trying to decide what to wear for everyone to come over, and then having to rush out and host Easter. So all of this has to be taken care of as well. So let me tell you guys something about these shoes, okay? So say hello to my happy little plant guy there. All right, so we're getting ready to address all of this right here, but I wanted to show you these shoes. So these are Old Navy flip-flops, and they are, I don't know what they're made of. They are not the foam flip-flops, but I literally have had these for like 8 years. Now, I know that they are not the most orthopedic friendly, or they're not at all. They are not at all orthopedically friendly, but oh my goodness, I just can barely get rid of them. And then here are the shoes that I bought this weekend. So I bought some flip-flops that do have arch support, and they are very comfortable. And then I bought these espadrilles that I was trying to break in, and then I bought these Eastlands, because most of the time I will just throw on flip-flops, like even when I'm doing barn chores. But sometimes, like when I need to take my child to camp, or if we have baseball games, or I don't know, we want to go someplace, I still need comfortable shoes. So I did get these Skechers, and they are very comfortable, and I wore them all day yesterday. And then these are more kind of, I guess, dressier, kind of boho slides. And these are the ones I'm trying to either break into my foot or break my foot into them. And then I have not had Eastlands since I was in probably high school. So these kind of remind me of Joanne Gaines shoes, but probably at a much more affordable price. And my goodness, are they comfortable. Oh my goodness. Now, if you are of the mind of my husband, you would be looking at me going, I don't understand why you need this many pairs of shoes. Because he has like slides, boots, tennis shoes. Like 2 pairs of tennis shoes. So he has like 4 pairs of shoes that address all of his outfitting needs. And I don't. So, I mean, I'm a teacher, right? So I have to have shoes for school, and then we live on a farm, so I have to have shoes for that. And then, so that's one. And with school, you might need tennis shoes, you might need sandals, you might need dress shoes, you might need boots, like whatever, okay? And then I have work shoes, like these little guys right here. So these are my tennis shoes for school, my nice tennis shoes. And then I actually just got rid of some work shoes, but those are slide-on tennis shoes. So when we go to work out in the yard, or if we work at the rental house, whatever, okay? And then I have espadrilles, I have some fashion shoes, I have some slide-on loafer type shoes, I have some boots. So I just have shoes for all seasons. And it's needed for everything that I have to do. I have a multifaceted life. So now, these are also super cute and very comfortable. But Very similar, except they are flat. Who knows how long they will last. All right, these are also super cute, and I can wear little toe socks with them, or I can go barefoot, which I do not like to do. I wear all of these for work. Like, I forgot that I had these, so I will be wearing those for work, but I definitely wear these, and I definitely wear these. Totally forgot that I had these guys. All right, these guys are my Sam Edelman loafer espadrilles, and I wear these all the time to work. They are great with wide leg pants. They're great for the winter time. They're great for the spring. I absolutely love them. So these are for sure keepers. Now these cuties I got for our niece's wedding for the fall, and I wore them yesterday for Easter, and they are so cute, and they fit perfectly until right here. And just right here, it like squeezes the outside of my foot. Okay guys, like, look how cute they are. I mean, they look super cute on. I guess I should go like this. They accentuate my smaller ankles, which is nice. But just right there on the very outer edge, oh my goodness, right at like my pinky toe knuckle, does it hurt. So I'm like, if I wear them, will they stretch out? Like, if I wear them and walk in them, you know, will they stretch out? So I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should keep these or if I should give these to my sister. They're just so stinking cute. Okay, so the results are in. So I have 15 pairs of shoes left, and these that I'm trying to decide because they're just a little bit weird on the side of my foot, but I think that they might relax. So they are really cute for just running around. So I have come to a point in my life where certain shoes with very high heels, such as these, are no longer friendly to me. So I purchased these, and these are 4-inch heels, and I thought that it might help that they are, you know, kind of the platform with a solid here, but my ankles and my feet just do not like these. So these are going to go to my sister. I actually just ordered an imitation Tory Burch pair of black sandals, and so I'm going to see if my sister wants these. These I got on kind of an impulse buy last year, and I have never worn them, so I'm going to give those to my sister. And then I have decided, after much deliberation, for the super cute shoes that I had for the wedding. Hold on. These ones right here, the ankle ones, that I'm going to go ahead and give them to my sister. And then if I decide to wear them to the wedding, then I will get them back from her or just borrow them back. So they're not completely going away forever. So I will still have them. And I'm debating on whether or not I should put a basket out here to try and contain my bad habit of just kicking off my shoes. That way, I mean, it's having a basket with shoes in it is a lot better than just having the random shoes all over the place. So I think I have a basket that I can use for that. And then I'm just going to put these guys away. Those are tennis shoes that I usually use to work out in, and they need washed. So I guess I have 16 pair left. Okay, so here is the spring and summer storage of my boots. So I have 2 baskets right here. Let me move this stuff out of the way there. Okay, those are Christmas bags. But anyway, this kind of goes back in here. So I've got my tennis shoes up at the top. And then I'll put the rest of the shoes down at the bottom. And then I don't know what I'm going to do with the boots because they are kind of in the way, but I don't have any other place to store them. So we'll see about that. All right, I had to change the orientation of the camera for a minute because this is a very narrow area. So let me explain to you guys what I did. I still have not put the shoes in because I got distracted. So I moved the Christmas wrapping out, and I'm going to put that in the new room. So I pushed the riding boots back. This is my photography stuff, which I don't have another place for that to go right now, so it's going to stay here. And then what I did do is I put another hook. These are just command strip hooks. And you guys, I use most of the time backpacks for my work bags. So this is a lug canter backpack, and they do not make these anymore. And the ones that they do make are much, much smaller. And I have had this one since 2020 and have washed it one time. And I think it was just when I switched it out here from my other backpack, so like a month ago, and this thing is in perfect condition. I love it. Then I got this Lavanada, I think is what it's called. No, that was not it at all. Lovook, L-O-V-E-V-O-O-K backpack, which is set up very similarly to the lug backpack. But it is bigger, and we used this, oh boy, okay, I'm gonna have to get a different adhesive, but we used this on our Chicago trip, and my husband carried this one, and I carried this one, and it worked perfectly, except this one was just a little bit too small for me, so I ended up, let's go ahead and go past a sea of shoes, going ahead and purchasing another one for me, and this is my current school backpack. Exactly the same thing as the gray one, except when we go on trips, I'll carry this one and my husband will carry the gray one. Okay, so now I have to fix the adhesive on that and then get these, go ahead and get the shoes put up. All right, so it is now like 8 o'clock at night, and so much life has taken place today, but I did grab the basket that I was talking about with the shoes to hopefully contain my bad habit. And then let's check out the closet. Oh, that fell again. I was so proud of that. Okay, well, apparently nothing, no kind of adhesive wants to work in my closet. So I even added multiple. All right, I don't know. So anyway, I'll be working on that. And then I have all of the shoes in here. Let's hang out in the closet. Shoe and bag video rather than a spring reset. But it is what it is, and now it's time to get ready for school tomorrow. So until next time, laters everybody.